resonance peak bass. Cool grime leads. Cool. Let me talk you through. First of all, these basses, and they're in Serum. And what it is random down on the BD sign. You can just use a sign, and then you've got LFO 1 like this, 1/8, smooth all the way here. And we've got that on the level and the noise. We've got alpha noise. Filter is just noise here. Take it off this, so just noise, and then go across to high. Get it nice and high. As well as that, you've got the distortion. And then if you take away this, that's what you should have. Okay, next up, I added these peaks. Click this middle bit and pick where you like it. These sounds are in this month's Patreon for Serum 1. And cool, that's one of them. The second one is a variation, but variation just was different peaks. I had a bit of chorus on that. Different peaks. Third one, same. Different peaks. See that? And I saturated it. Same thing, sine wave, different peaks. Okay, that's it. And then I had the sub, plus we had this pitch bend. If you go to envelopes and go MIDI control pitch bend, that's on all the basses. So the mid group's there, the sub is there. Next section. Let me show you that little drum fill. The real drum fill from a break. Warped it a bit. Make it sound nice. Adds a bit of realness in there. But other than that, we had got some of these boom Atmos. We're better off a bit higher. Cool, so let's have another listen. I've got a little bass there in the mid, and it's the Scout bass with the wavetable. We've got this on the level and the filter. Trip trigger. That's just 1/4 and it's like a V shape. Then I've got that on the matrix. Nice bit on there. I've got it on the wavetable mainly, and we've got some FM. I've got a lot of FM on it. And you can tune it sort of with the FM. Saving it in here. I'm just building up some more of these ones before I drop them. And this one is a bit like Reso or something. And it's got this pitch shifter on it. It sounds good as well. Okay, so what we can do is right click show automation. It's this one, turn it off. and on, and then you can duplicate that as well. Try it there. Cool, what happened there? We went from the normal beat, look at the master, on, move that, see it, and then it's off again. I've got the 808 here, slope to the attack, I didn't want it to mash with the kick, bit of FM, this is a triangle, random down, 1 octave on the saw wave, it's getting FM'd. We've got this noise here coming up the ramp, and then we've got some saturator, quite a big fat bass that one, and this one also in this month's Patreon, getting dropped, all of them. Let's see, is that one saved? Okay, so call it Fat 808, so link below if you want these, but let's get to this Grime one. What's it made of? This is made of the Scouted. We've gone through this one. So I've got -1 on the sub, bit of noise, and this is all on the envelope. Got a bit of legato here, but I don't know if it's doing anything. Guys, if you want this project, give me 3 comments. Different people saying they want it, and I'll give you it. So we've got hyper, we've got hard clip, we've got compression because we're just trying to toughen it up a lot, and we've got full mix on the reverb. That's without. But we wanted it in the background so we can focus on the bass, get that vibe going, but raise that up there. Basically that's it, guys. I'm just gonna play it. This is one more bass here. We've got the ha by the vocal chant, 15, so I've relaxed it a lot. Then this Serum here, so we saw this is in this month as well. Cool, so you can see it's the sub, and we've got that on there, sub and level, and we've got this one on level on oscillator 2, so it's a bit like a fog the way it's introduced, a bit slower, and it's 4 octaves up. This one, randoms are down, so we've got that on the level. You've got a bit of sync which is making this higher pitch, and then you've got the noise, did I mention that, FM, and here we've been using the hyper. We've got a tape saturation, so as you click left it goes on that one. Bit of compression, bit of EQ. Bob's your uncle, mate. Let me play it to play you out. Remember, links below, like, comment, all that stuff.